We were so busy coming back from our trip to Casablanca, Morocco, because we had surgeries. We were absent for a week, and in addition to that, while being in Morocco, me and my wife both got likely flu, and it took us a few days to recover, so I wasn't very active. But I wanted to say what was going on there. So in Casablanca, Morocco, there was a big conference called the World FUE Institute, and this is one of those big events where a lot of doctors come, gather for a few days, and we do lectures, we teach, we share experience, exchange opinions. There is a live workshop, usually on Saturday. It was a really nice organizing dinners and different parties. So just to give you a quick overview what happened. Okay, so we arrived there on Monday. We had 2 days just to travel and see what is Morocco about. Okay, it was my first time in Africa indeed. The conference started on Wednesday evening. We arrived on Monday. We had a couple of days. We rented the car and we drove from Casablanca all the way to Marrakesh. Arrived in Marrakesh. What is good about this country? Everything is cheap. Hotels are cheap, food is cheap, country is beautiful and safe. We stayed at a really nice hotel in downtown Marrakesh. It's very unique. Marrakesh has appearance of a city like no I haven't seen before. And people are nice. Unfortunately, as I said, we were getting a little bit of flu fever, so our first task was to find a pharmacy and purchase a Tamiflu or a Sultamivir. We had to walk about 5 to 6 miles. We couldn't find a pharmacy that carries a Sultamivir. So one thing I wanted to advise, if you travel to countries not as developed as we used to live in, always bring your medications. We still carried on. We continued, had a great time. Going back to Casablanca, started with the Congress. I had a couple topics I've been talking about. My first topic was hyperbaric oxygen therapy and its application with hair transplant surgery. I've been doing this for a long time. I had my own hyperbaric chamber in this clinic. It's a hospital grade chamber, very high quality and able to produce much more pressure than most of the ones that with the cheap alternatives. So, and I believe this is really make one of the distinguishing differences during hair restoration. My second lecture, I was talking about experience with beard restoration, beard design and technical aspects of beard area restoration. It's something that has been gaining popularity. As you can see, I'm trying to grow my beard too. Didn't have my transplant, but some people, they would like to grow a beard and it doesn't grow as the way they like it. So this is something that we can fix too. Overall, it was a great trip. The most important thing is not, again, I'm not a surgeon that knows everything. One of the reasons I like to attend this Congress is I'm able to learn from my colleagues from all around the world, listen to other doctors, and there are great, renowned doctors attending these congresses. This is always helpful because the purpose of these meetings is to improve patient care, to provide the best results we can by teaching others, by learning from others,